Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. Fine, I'll just aim it at your crotch the whole time.
Okay.
Good.
You packing?
Please.
Pachyderm.
Just try it. Fine, jump over the thing again.
The llama?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want you to jump over something.
He just rolls it out all slow.
That's Diana's burnt mess. You know, kill yourself. Woo!
Can't jump over llama.
Yeah, you can.
Barely jump over llama. Oh,
You could jump over it. You jumped over JTB. Jump over JTB again.
Some Nike. Go jump up that van. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Teabag!
Oh shit.
Teabag! Oh, wow. That was great. Jump over the dog.
That was brutal.
Oh my god, JTB did it too. Oh shit.
Wait.
Oh snap! JTB, try to jump over my car. Just try.
At least he'll try.
Woo! Chris,
Come
try.
on, Chris.
You can do it. Yes.
I'll jump over. I'll do what he did.
Okay.
Okay. That's all I got. I can't make it the whole way. Maybe I could. Maybe I could.
I think you could.
Come on, Chris.
Wait. Okay.
Come on, Chris.
I can't.
Do it over that way.